Chad Nelson. I'm on the advisory board for the Future Business Leaders of America. It's a program at the high school. Kids who are interested in business sign up for this class. Everybody wants to be behind a screen these days, and what I wanted to do is I wanted to give them a Mike Rowe type experience where they could see what people are doing with their brains and with their hands. Shock therapy, Geiser, Upfit is kind of like the perfect opportunity to show them that. The teacher, his name is Tony Mellinger, really gave me a lot of support for doing this field trip, because obviously when you're taking a bunch of kids to a machine shop, things like that, there's forms you need to fill out and permissions.
Very cool. Well, thank you guys for coming. My name is Steve. This is Rhino, not Ryan, Rhino, like the rhinoceros. You can call him whatever you want there. But we're going to be giving you guys a tour of all of our facilities, okay? So this is going to be shock therapy. So this is where we do all of our suspension components, working on cars, installing all of our product. We're also going to show you our machine shop, which is just right down the street. That is where all of our product is made and manufactured. Going to go on a tour here real quick and then get you guys going. If you have any questions, please just raise your hand. Might be a little loud in the shop, so it might be a second before we get to your question, but please ask anything and everything. Cool? Let's rock and roll. That could be disassembling, rebuilding, adding new parts, components, anything that we make, we add to the shop. But that gets done day in, day out here. We do anywhere from 10 to 16 sets of shocks a day. Now people can bring us their shocks off their vehicles, so drop them off. They can ship them in, they go on the shelf, or they can bring their vehicles in and we take everything off and do it and put it on and assemble it here, doing all the installs. So really just depends on the budget for the person that's getting the work done and what they're having done.
We're doing Ford Raptors now too.
We are doing Ford Raptors. We do have one right here in the back.
They hopped on the bus about 6:30 a.m. So we headed to Phoenix, where shock therapy is located. We started there at the shock therapy building. They showed us around the whole building, the retail side. They showed us how they build shocks. They showed us how they build tie rods, and they showed us how they brand everything. They showed us the back end software and how they keep track of things and how they charge for things. So it was really cool to see that. Then they took us into the idea factory where they 3D print stuff and they do some really cool stuff on the back end, which we'll show you in this video. We get to experience something that not a lot of people get to experience. We get to see their CNC shop, and some of the stuff is prototype, and some of the stuff they sell thousands of. You know, there were parts in there that they said they sold 40 to 70,000 pieces a year. That machine shop is where they make valves, they make forks for the Pro R, they make tie rods, radius rods for all the different cars. This machine shop not only makes them, it anodizes them, polishes them, it does all this stuff. So it was really cool for the kids to like look through the CNC windows and see what these machines were making. I always think that's a lot of fun. After that, Upfit totally took care of the kids and fed them lunch from Jimmy John's, and then they gave them safety glasses. Then we got to go into the Geiser shop. So the Geiser shop, that's what I like to call the dream factory. They have a retail area where they kind of have it all separated between the Pro R, the Can-Am X3, the XP cars, and the Maverick R, and then just some of their custom parts for other cars, blow-off valves. They also carry Evo. So it's kind of a really one-stop shop if you want to go and build. They had a Kawasaki there. They're building a Kawasaki there too. And they're building some custom tube chassis for some customers, which will be in the background, but we're not doing any content on those because they're for specific customers. In the Geiser shop, they had some really cool, amazing tools. They had a plastic molding machine. It could do a lot of different things. It could do anywhere from like cutting boat decking to molding plastic. So they're now making the roofs and the dashes for their Upfit UTVs just right in-house. So that's really cool. Laser cutting machines where they are cutting and bending bumpers. Really cool machine. I've never seen anything like that before. Something that I learned when we're doing the tour is that Geiser they got about 30,000 square feet on one end. Shock therapy is going to take up about 30,000 square feet on the other end of the building. So shock therapy, Upfit UTV, and Geiser will be in the same building. So that was really cool. And I think our group was the first group to experience that and to gain knowledge of that. I don't think it meant much to the kids, but it meant a lot to me because it's all under one roof now, or soon to be under one roof. We got to see the different models at Upfit. We got to see, they have a big photo booth area, which is really neat. They had some cars in there, and they showed us their Upfit Expeditions and their Upfit Rangers, which is their top selling models right now. They showed us the Ranger 1500s, and then they showed us their pods. So this is a really cool system that Upfit UTV does. There are two different, or there are several different models, like their Baja, their DSR, their Expedition, which they call the Escape, and then their Ranger 1500. They have these pods, which are just giant boxes, right? They're framed boxes, and every piece and part is in the pod. All the wiring looms, all the lights, all the bumpers, wheels and tires are all in these pods. So the stock cars come up, and then the guys know that everything that goes on that car is in these pods. It's very efficient, wiring and wheels, tires, replacing the body panels. They actually redo all the roll cages. Each different car takes either from a week to 2 weeks to build. And what I like about it is that it's the same hands on the entire car. If it takes 2 weeks to build that car, it's the same hands that are putting everything on that car, taking off the cages, putting in the new wiring looms and pumper systems and all that stuff. Every car gets aligned. They have a laser alignment system. They go to a different level of building these cars, and the kids got to see all of that stuff. So they might have been a little bit ruined when it comes to UTVs. That kind of concluded the tour. So definitely check out Upfit UTV. Definitely check out Shock Therapy. Geiser is mostly on Instagram. And I want to give a huge shout out to Justin Smith, the owner of these companies, Steve Feig, Sean and Corey Geiser, the whole crew down there at Upfit UTV. They've always been very welcoming to me. I thought this would be a great idea for the Lake Havasu kids to experience this, and I think it was a huge success. The kids loved it, the teachers loved it. Shock Therapy and Upfit UTV and Geiser, they said, please come back. I thought it was awesome. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this was valuable to you, and those guys are really transparent. I love working with those guys down there, so hopefully you guys do too.